Okay, hi, my name's Dreama, and today we're going to be making slime. Now, my slime is going to be a little different than most. I'm going to use baking soda, and I'm also going to use dish soap, okay? And so, first of all, the science behind slime is using polymers, which is a large change of molecules made up of smaller units that repeat themselves. So, first we're going to add our cup of baking soda, and we'll probably add more as well throughout as we get this going. So, just about a cup, okay? And then I am using a mixing bowl as well, right here. It's kind of hard for you guys to see. Kind of point it down. And then need some more baking soda. Okay, and then you just want to use a spoon. Okay, so a spoon and your dish soap, and you can squirt a little bit into the baking soda. Okay, and once you have that, you can go ahead and begin to mix it up, and then you can gradually add some more as you begin to notice your consistency. So as you can see, I kind of have it getting into a little thicker substance. I'm going to add some more dish soap. Now, the dish soap, you can use any color that you want. And what's nice about the dish soap, too, is that you can also add food coloring if you want a darker color, or if you just want to use it the same way. So now I'm going to add a lot more dish soap. So this is what I have right now. And now I'm going to mix. Now, if you use too much dish soap in your liquid and it becomes too liquidy, you can add more baking soda to your batch of slime. But if it's still too thick, I'm starting to get some slime now. But if it's still too thick, you can add some more dish soap. Okay, so now I'm starting to get more of a thicker substance. So this thick substance actually has a scientific name, which is the non-Newtonian fluid, which is neither a true liquid or a true solid. So this is kind of referred to our slime. So our slime can be referred to as a non-Newtonian fluid. Okay. So now I'm starting to get some slime material base here, so I can kind of pick it up and see how it feels. So it's wonderful. So slime is very messy, as you can see. So I think I might need some more baking soda because it's a little bit too liquidy. It's not the solid base that I want. So I'm going to add some more in a second as I wash my hands. Okay, just add a little bit more baking soda so it turns more into a solid rather than the liquid where I had it at. And this is a nice little base to use only because they're two simple kitchen ingredients. So you can teach your students on how to make it at home so they can have some slime at home. Okay, and let's see. And now we have our lovely slime here. And this is a fun fact. I've made this before in China using different materials. I used liquid glue and some cornstarch or some baking soda. And It was very messy, just like this. So I hoped you liked my little tutorial on making slime. I could probably add some more baking soda if I wanted to. So I hope you liked it, and thank you guys for watching. And please leave me any feedback or tips, especially if you have any tips on how to not make slime as messy as it is, because it's so messy. But I think it's a fun experiment to take on inside the classroom. So thank you.